All right, today is Monday, May 5th. So the videos I made yesterday where I said it was the 5th and it was Sunday, I don't know, Saturday felt like Tuesday. It's hard to keep track of things these days. The very fabric of time itself folding back on itself. Anyways, here we go. Probably 60 something, overcast, but no rain, but you can see it's pretty mucky. So this is what we're doing. We made our 3-foot by 4-foot perfectly, let's say, close enough for government work here. So I had this frame over here, and I put the yellow or the snow stakes there. When it was in this section, then it was the wooden stakes. So you can see wooden stakes square would be here. When I moved it to that section, square would be there. So we've got like a 3-inch offset, which, you know, I did this thing here. So it was 3 inches off. Then it'd be 30 inches. I need 30 inches on this side, and it's 36. So that's kind of what I was thinking, 36 and 30. And we put the boards at a slight tilt. I think that's going to be the right one. So let's just continue to move. So this stake was from when it was here. I moved it to here. We're going to put 2 wooden stakes, and then we're going to continue on. Okay, so definitely, like, that's about 3 inches on each side. So 3 times 2 is 6. 36 minus 6 is 30 inches. So it looks like these, if I made trapezoidal sections, does that make sense? All right, even this end section looks like it's going to even fit in with a trapezoid, because it'll come a couple inches in on each side, 3 inches. Yeah, so I don't know. Feels like I'm supposed to walk this for some reason. And I'll walk it backwards. Alright, so let's talk about making these frames. I need some 2x4s, pressure treated, 3 foot and 30 inches. Then I got some decking boards from someone took a house deck apart a while ago. I've got a whole bunch of boards from that. They're just been sitting there waiting to be reused, have a new meaning in life. So they're 12-foot boards, so 12 foot divided by 4 foot gives us 3, and I need 6 inches wide. 30 inches divided by 6 is 5, so I need 5 boards. So okay, so if this was my property, I would just leave this set up, but it is not my property. It's someone else's, and it gets lots of use by a lot of different adjacent landowners. So I'm going to take the big sticks out and put a small stick. And I might even bring back some survey marker paint, upside down paint, and just mark the outside curve, 3 where I need to put them, and then we'll know where that belongs. Okay, so these are 12-foot long decking boards. I think there's 12 of them, so I need 1, think a couple of those are at least 30 inches, so I could rip those at least, get a couple out of those. All right. Well, I think I think I have to buy more screws because I'm out of, like, very low on 2 and 2.5 inch deck screws. That's like a inch board. Yeah, they're inch thick, so I'll probably use 2-inch screws. Yeah. All right, well, let's clean off all this stuff and maybe we'll grab a couple boards to get started and make a section and see what we think. And I took 3 of those and I'm going to split that top one, and we got one on the bottom that's 30 inches. So we can probably make 2 sections out of this for our willow tree armoring. Sun is coming out a little bit, but I think I'm going to work on it in the house. Use a table saw and a miter saw and relax a little bit at a reasonable height. Okay, we made 2 sections. All the screws aren't in there yet because I'm low on screws, but I do have it kind of secured. So 3 foot, 36 inches, 30 inches, 4 foot centerpiece, and the other pieces are kind of skidded just to make it fit. So we got 2 pieces. Tomorrow maybe we'll take those back, put them in, and see what it looks like. All right.